Something really exciting to show you here today. This is our June 2025 on a 25 plate Ford Transit Custom with our full signature styling package on it. But this is a 320 model, so 3.2 ton gross vehicle weight, and this one has got the 2.5 litre Duratec petrol engine, which is a plug-in hybrid producing 232 PS, which is roughly say 230 brake horsepower. That is on these. It is a single speed sort of CVT style gearbox, and this is a short wheelbase factory double cab finished in the fantastic grey matter. But the reason I'm so excited to show you this one, not only is it a petrol plug-in hybrid, which I find very exciting, but this has actually been my own van from brand new, and there is an incredible list of factory optional extras on this particular vehicle, and I will try and remember all of them during this video. But we'll have a really good look around this van, have a look at all of those different options, have a look at the condition of this particular example. Have I looked after it over the last year? Seeing as this vehicle is currently now available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, and immediately there's a couple of extras here at the back. So the first one being the tailgate, so one door which comes up like so. That is a factory optional extra on this particular vehicle, and the next factory extra is also this rear camera just here. So there's actually a couple of rear cameras on here. So there's a reversing camera down there which is pointed more towards the ground, but this here is a factory optional extra, and that is your rear view mirror camera, which sits quite parallel to the ground. I'll show you how that works a little bit later on in the video. Now, as I mentioned, this has got our full signature styling package on it, which includes a really nice gloss black rear spoiler, which you can see there. We've got the carbon rear bumper protector on top of the rear bumper, and then down below that then we've got the full gloss black low line aero kit, which includes the rear splitter, side skirts, front splitter as well. If we open up the rear tailgate, then we can start to have a look inside the back of here, and this is exactly as they come from factory in the back of here. So they have these sort of boards here which are halfway up, which provide some protection there to the outside. It comes with this hard wearing plastic floor in the back of here, and you can see, of course, I have used this over the last year, so there is some marks here to the plastic, just the usual wear of putting things in and out of the back, but generally speaking all in very good order. Same with the bulkhead there, no issues at all there. And this is the correct placement of the toolkit over to the side. There are a couple of extra LED lights there at the back, which you can control on this little button just there, but not a huge amount to show in there. This one being a short wheelbase, you've still got a decent amount of space in here, and really for day-to-day use, immensely practical. And also you've got these nice sort of composite boards there on the inside of the tailgate as well. If we shut that, then we'll continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. So I can say absolutely categorically this vehicle has never had any paintwork. I say I've had this from day one, so it's never been used for work. It's been used as my own vehicle. So I spec'd it brand new with all of the options that are on it, and as I say, it's been used as a car for the last 12 months. So all this paintwork is absolutely original. To my knowledge, there are no dents or scratches or anything like that. It should all be in very nice order, but of course if there's anything I can point out while we're walking around, I will gladly do so. So this has got a brand new set of Calibre CV-3 alloy wheels fitted to it. These have become our absolute favourite alloy wheel for the new shape Transit Custom. Absolutely love the design. 20-inch from Calibre as well. We've been having wheels through Calibre for a long time, and these yeah, very hard wearing. They never buckle or crack or anything like that. All brand new with brand new tyres fitted as well. And as I mentioned, you've got that low line aero kit which continues at the bottom. It's also got a nice set of roof bars added as well. Another factory optional extra on this one then is that it has got the opening side windows, which you can see there. And if we open up the side loading door, there's two side loading doors, being a factory double cab. We can start to have a look inside the back. So you've got, of course, the double cab bench seat in here, Isofix compatibility on the two outer seats, and there's also another optional extra in here is that it has got blinds on the side windows. So not only can you open the windows up, but inside here, as you can see, you have got this nice netted blind as well. So a nice little sun blind if you have got in our case, kids in the back of the van. In the back of here then, there's a couple of USB-Cs down there, and of course, being a factory double cab, all fully carpeted there on the floor. Opening up the passenger door then, we can start to have a look inside the front of here. So again, just lovely condition inside here, the step, the floor, everything. We put a set of Ford carpet overmats in here, and then this brings us on to another factory optional extra. And this is one that has probably made arguably the most difference day to day owning this van, is this seat package that is in here. So not only is it the single passenger seat, which is very nice, but it has also got the, I can't remember the seat package name exactly, but it has got the twin armrests. So you've got twin adjustable armrests on both seats, which is really, really nice. But you've also got this adjustment here at the front, so you can extend that in and out. And you've also got electric lumbar support as well. So you can, using this button just here, you can control the lumbar support just there. It just makes life so comfortable in the front of here. We took this vehicle abroad at Christmas time, and you can do long journeys in here with no issue whatsoever. A few more optional extras then, blind spot indicators in the mirrors, and it's also got, you'll see under here, there's cameras underneath the wing mirrors. There's also a camera in the front grille as well, and this one has got the 360 degree parking cameras, which is again really, really nice to have when you're maneuvering. It gives you this sort of bird's eye view of what is going on around you when you're maneuvering close up to something at the front. It puts the front camera on automatically so you can see how close you are. Very, very nice bit of kit indeed. Around to the front then, of course, you get the Ford LED lights as standard. Really good quality headlight on these with that nice LED daytime running light. And then down the bottom then, you've also got the front canards which have been added, and then also the front splitter just there as well. And I think all in all, with the gloss black element against the grey matter, I think it's an absolutely stunning looking van. I think it looks really, really nice. Just the right level of styling, in my opinion. I think it looks very, very nice indeed. Let's open up the driver's door then. Let's have a look at a bit more spec inside here then. So opening up the driver's door, firstly just having a look at the condition of, again, the step, the floor, the driver's seat. No issues there. It's all in really, really good order. Let's jump in here and have a look. Of course, the vehicle is supplied with 2 keys. You have got keyless entry and keyless start, of course. Just makes the van feel so modern to drive when you can just walk up to it with the key in your pocket, put your hand behind the handle, and it will open for you. And then inside here, so you have got this lovely digital dashboard here in front of you, and you can see the mileage there in the bottom left hand corner, 12,122 miles. And you can really configure this as you want, but as you're driving, this dial here on the left hand side in this configuration, this shows you your regenerative braking and what power you're using between the engine and the battery. These vans are so responsive. They can be really quick if you want to, but you actually find yourself not driving it very quickly because it almost becomes a game of this regenerative braking. In terms of miles per gallon, realistic, the quoted figures will be a lot more, but even without charging it, so you can run this vehicle basically just as a petrol van, even without charging it, you're approaching 40 miles per gallon using it sensibly. Of course, if you do plug it in and charge it, you will get a lot more than that. Some people are approaching 80 to 100 miles per gallon when you use it as intended with charging it up. On top of the driver's door then, you've got electric windows, you've got electric folding mirrors, and of course you can adjust the mirrors just there as well. Down to the right hand side, you've got your auto light. Of course, you've got auto wipers up here on the left hand side. The drive mode, or the put into drive and reverse, you do that on the stalk just here. And this L is for extra regenerative braking, so that gives you more sort of one pedal driving when you do that. Onboard computer controls here on the right hand side. You can hang up the phone just there and of course answer it with the OK button. On the left hand side then, this would be another optional extra on this one, and it has got the adaptive cruise control there on the left hand side. Into the center then, this is where you've got that rear view mirror camera, and as you can see, you can turn that on or off if you want to, and you have got some adjustment as well. This one as well has got the inbuilt dash cam So you can, there's actually another camera on the back of here, I believe, or behind this cowling. So you can put an SD card in there, and you've got an inbuilt dash cam inside your inside here, which I think is a really, really nice bonus. As you can adjust the height of that, you can adjust the brightness as well. Into the center then, you have got, let's have a look at some of the spec inside here. So you've got satellite navigation. That was another factory optional extra on this, but you've crucially, once you've got your phone connected to this via Bluetooth, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto on the screen. Of course, you've got things like heated seats, heated door mirrors, heated windscreen. All of that comes as standard on the Limited, but satellite navigation is another factory optional extra. Another option extra then is this lovely center console, finished in this nice piano black. Crucially, gives you two nice cup holders there, which I think is a big, big bonus. Down below that then, got a nice little 12-volt socket there and a couple of USBs and some extra storage underneath there as well. I'm probably forgetting something on this, because as it had almost every option ticked when I ordered this, but it really is an extensive list of options. 360-degree cameras, the opening windows of the blinds, the tailgate, of course, full signature styling package, blind spot indicators, satellite navigation, the fantastic seat package in there, and yeah, really is a lovely, lovely list. And as I say, condition is absolutely spot on, as you can see here with the paintwork looking down the side of the vehicle. And as I say, I can vouch for this van that it has never had any paint in its life. It is all looking very nice. Are there any stone chips on the bonnet? You might get the odd one or two, but yeah, there's very, very little in the way of damage really on this van. It's yeah, not new, of course. It is roughly a year old with 12,000 miles, but it is in as close to new condition as you will find, I would suggest. During preparation then for sale, we have put this vehicle right through our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care, and they have done a service on it. So it's had a fresh service, even though it's on 12,000 miles, we have done a fresh service on it in readiness for sale. So the vehicle is absolutely ready to drive away. So if you are looking for one of the highest spec'd plug-in hybrid factory double cabs on the market at the moment, this could be the van for you. As a 12,000 miles, whole host of optional extras, brilliant condition, lovely body styling on here, and absolutely ready to drive away straight away. If you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we have currently got advertised as well. Of course, you've got the balance of manufacturer's warranty on this until June of 2028, so plenty of time remaining on that. And of course, we can offer part exchange, whether that be for cars or for vans. We can arrange funding, so if you're looking for some finance figures on this van, by all means get in contact and we may be able to help you there. Of course, that's all subject to acceptance and status. And we can deliver our vehicles nationwide as well. So if you're not local to us, not to worry, we can get this van delivered directly to your door. Thank you very much for watching.